Hey! Careful! One at a time, okay? I do not get paid enough for this. Brr.
Just in time. Hope I brought enough of these.
You can say that again.
Ha ha! Make it rain!
Is everybody seated and making a mess? Just stop it! Out of my theater, now, animals! Never again. No snacks, no pizza, and definitely no cake. That ought to do it.
Nothing like that fresh box feeling. All I need is a good movie. Hey, just one, please. Any room left? Well?
Unbelievable. You... Enough! Can't you read, lady? No food allowed. I'm not kidding.
This is so unfair. A movie without snacks? I think I can work my magic. This top is more than super cute. It's actually quite practical. Like my beadwork? It's showtime!
Hold it. No food? Go ahead.
Thanks! Anyone sitting here? Time for a little bite!
Hey! Hey! What's cereal without some cold milk? You know? Here!
No way! Thanks! Now this is more like it. Wow. Let's dig in, shall we? Impressed? Any seats left in there? I brought my ticket!
So what? No food?
Jeez, okay.
I said no. Look it. Pizza's not allowed.
Okay,
Go away.
lighten up, jeez. No one messes with my pie. So I gotta think out of the pizza box. Tomato sauce red? Ta-da! Gotta represent my favorite meal. Here goes nothing. Hi again! For one!
I don't know. Got any snacks? I'm on to you.
Hey, that's mine.
Interesting. Huh?
I told you. Can I go in now, please?
Okay. Go on.
Oh, it's about time. Nobody gets between me and my movies. Are we clear on that? Good.
Just enjoy the show, all right?
Is that? Your noses are sharp.
Whoa! Pizza bag!
That's sick. Enjoy.
This is awesome!
Yummy.
What up?
Can't you read, bro?
No food? I just bought these!
Bummer. I'll think of something. What up? Ticket for one. I gotta see this.
We'll just see about that. What do we have here? Take off that hat. I knew it! You thief! It's all over!
Can I still see the movie?
Go away!
Aw, man. This stinks. Wait! My candy! I'm going down! Oh boy. That was not ideal. Ouch! Wait, I'm thinking clearly now. All thanks to my cute little shoe. Wait, one for me! Cute, right? I made them myself. Yep. Haha. One, please.
Oh yeah? Those shoes look sweet.
Oh,
Wow, sweet kicks, girl. Go ahead.
Phew! Thanks!
Enjoy the show.
That sure worked out well. And as a reward for my quick thinking, these are pretty good. Hello, ma'am. Come on, hurry!
Wait, soda and chips? Not in my theater. Take that! Can you read it now? Go cry about it.
Poor thing. Worked like a charm. Unless… What's up? Can I go in and watch the movie?
Ha! You think you're slick? I see it all, you know.
No, it's for you.
Huh? Me? That's so thoughtful.
My pleasure.
I haven't had chocolate in years. Oh, go ahead.
Thanks.
No, thank you. Wait, what's all this? Candy bars? Where'd they all come from? Have I been deceived? It all leads to the liar. Well, well, well. Nobody tricks me. Where is she?
Oops.
Huh? No. No way. This girl's going down.
Aw, come on.
I can't see. Do you mind? Move your big head. Yeah, for real.
Knock it off.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, bye.
Phew. That was a close call. Want to see how I did it? All you need is lots and lots of tape. There. Then comes the good stuff. Stick 'em on, baby. Boom! Gotta love an oversized hoodie. It's perfect. Nifty, right? Ooh.
Hey, mind if I snag a spot? A spot, huh? Yep, looks like a job for the sneaky snacker. Let's see. See this? Look at it! Nice! They're called rules.
Almost ready. Haha!
Ugh, now gimme those!
I got the good stuff. Yay!
Haha! I hope you learned your lesson. Go, silly kid. Another one bites the dust. Wow, that's some getup. Magic, huh? Yay!
Yep, nothing in here. See?
Empty? Okay.
Alakazam! Now watch this. Look familiar?
Wow, that thing's nice.
Good, because it's all yours.
Wow.
I'm not done. Abracadabra! Your name tag is about to get an upgrade.
Amazing!
Wait, there's one more part. Magic.
I'm intrigued.
Nothing in here. See? But I can do something about that. A little chocolate, please. You saw that, right?
Uh-huh.
Alrighty, in you go. See ya. Wait,
Wow! How did you do that?
wouldn't you like to know?
It's really gone! That's amazing!
Yep. Anyway, can I snag a seat?
Go right ahead! So much talent.
I'm in! Thanks to this little thing.
I knew I shouldn't have skipped lunch.
You're hungry?
Who, me?
Yeah, look!
Huh? It's nothing.
You sure about that?
No way!
Yeah, want some?
Definitely. Yum! Thanks!
I never leave home without it. Want one? Enjoy!
Put that popcorn in the trash, where it belongs. You want to cry about it? Add those salty tears to them while you're at it.
Whoa, nice moves! Where'd he learn how to do that? It's giving me a brilliant idea! Hey, you!
Huh? Where'd she go?
Mind if I hang over here? What a cutie! Hey, what's up? Hello? Over here!
Huh? Hey!
That footwork? Wow! Is that yours?
My ball? Yeah, I take it everywhere.
Can I see it?
What? I don't know. It's mine, okay?
Oh, pretty please.
No, too risky. I can't.
Ugh, I didn't want to have to do this.
Do what? Hey, no!
A little big, but whatever. And the best part? Booyah! Thanks, dude! Hey, what's good?
What's with the jersey?
Just here for the movie.
So, you any good?
Any good? Psh. How do you like this? Light on the feet, baby. Yep, impressive, I know.
Let me get in there. Uh-huh.
Wow, you're not bad.
I used to play back in the day.
Nice. Here it comes.
Aw, wow, that was great.
Yeah, baby. We got this.
Now get in there. Oh, what the?
Oops, my bad.
Whatever.
I guess the coast is clear. I can't stop the pop! Oh, yeah.
Huh? Is that popcorn? Can I?
You want some?
Wow, thanks.
My pleasure. Whoa!